Yeah, so this idea come to me the other day. Fair say, enough time I go up on YouTube for watch some things and I see some do-it-yourself video. But all of video them I be your English speaking talking things. So I decide say yo, me I make a Jamaican do-it-yourself video. So what happened is, I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see it. So the airflow intake, them call it all kind of something, bust up. See it there? So at my workplace, me carry the van go do some other stuff and them tell me say that need to change. Now, although I get 50% off on labor at my workplace, I say that's one little something I can do myself. So I'm going to try this, see it work out. So I'm take off the engine cover, which is not needed. So I'm going to put that one side. So that is me on the Odyssey. Oh, I should have started by saying that. So this is a 07 on the Odyssey, as I can see. So we're going to try to replace this hose, which I already bought. I have to check to see for the right thing, which that should be the first thing I'm gonna do. So let me check that and get back. Alright, so checking to see if it's the same thing. Alright, so we see the part I will go up to this, so, and this part I will go up on this, so. And you have a little cable here, so for this come back through. Alright, so first thing I'm gonna do is try to disconnect this, and that come off very easily. I'll do a squeeze that and come off this, so walk it through this little part here, take that through this, so. Alright, so I'm gonna pull this, and I need to release this, and I need to release that. I think it's a 13 I'm gonna need to use. But in the meanwhile, I have my pliers, so I'm gonna try squeeze. Why don't I can do this with my hand? I'm gonna try something first. Ah, cool. So I'm gonna need the pliers. I think I did need the pliers to take off that, but I don't. So, and then should I use my camera and tripod and all of this? So I have to do this in a bar. I'm just using my phone. Oh no, part I'm supposed to have. So my phone may I use for record this right now. So this was I think we need to ease it off somewhere. Ah, see, so that come off now. That come out. Something we used to happen. I mean, I always hear them talk about this. A mechanic shop, then call them under tree mechanic. I mean, if I put on my gloves, I think what I need to do other things. Them always drop off something and I know something there. So what you want to do is secure stuff. So see this, I'm gonna use back this clamp. So I'm gonna secure it up there. So I disconnect that, took that off. This needs to stay over here so I stop coming at the thing. And then I'm gonna need to pull this and this. I'm gonna know why I'm still talking English, which the main objective of this video is to chat patois. So I'm gonna try the one lick. I think it is a 13 socket I'm gonna need. So I'm gonna look through my old socket thing here, so and see what mark 13 millimeter. 9/8, 12, 7/8. 3/16, 32, 9, 12, 13. I want a smaller 13 here, so this is a 13 millimeter. And then I think we need a big socket. I use a little socket. So turn on the driver, and then pull that, Them say 13, but this look like 10. Alright, I'm gonna need both hands to do this, so let me stop this. Alright, so we're back. One video I watch it, it's at 13, but it's actually at 10. So loosen that, and I think this is the same thing. So this so we pull the two of them, and these are called clamps. I don't think we need to take the whole of this. We don't need to take it where pull it out to the part where you can ease off of the thing. I think my mechanic tower would have be proud of me right now, because I had no. In fact, we should have shared with you know, when I was going to high school, one of the vacation I wanted to do was keep on going. I did want to do mechanic, and I go class, and from September to December, all the teacher depan was safety in classroom, safety in classroom. That was annoying. Made one engine for pull up and all of these things. So the January, the teacher say mechanic enough for me because me don't want to get my hand dirty, which was far from the truth. Because even though I have gloves, I'm still not weary, which I go put on my gloves now. So that was far from the truth, but me don't want dirty up my hand. I did just find it boring. But I learn about safety in a classroom. So I pull off them two clamps, which I'm going to use back. So I'm gonna try take off this. Maybe I'm sure take off the top part first. Alright, when we get here, I'll come back with the video because it's not work with one hand. So yeah, sorry about that, but the one hand thing really need to go work because I take off the two end them. So I'm draw off that end there first, and then I take off this end. And what I get to learn is when this open, like how you can see it now, see I see straight through it. When this bust, it cause you see crystallize up, so it cause you to lose pressure and all of that. So I gotta take off them here, put back on the other one. If I pull this somewhere. So yeah, I'm gonna swap them out and then come back. So like me say, I apologize for the cutting of the video saying I say detail step to step. But it's pretty simple. Because all I do is, as I say, take off the clamp off of the old one. So I take off clamp off of that, pull that, take it off of this. There's no way I could do this with one hand. All of them something, and it kind of tight. Actually, it's actually a fun a forcing and a pushing, and especially this one, like you see, pluck out and all of these things. So now what I need to do is get back this over here, so, and then I go tighten them two bolt here. There's another one down here, so something to make sure it is, I see that little tip something here, make sure it buck on this, so because that's actually shows at the right place today. And it come around just enough for you put on the clamp there. That's the next thing I'm gonna have to go do with two hands, but I'm gonna basically get the picture and make it tight because here I'll go through it. Put some more on this too, and that is it. So I don't know much more than video I go do, but the concept is to basically do it like a Jamaican. I understand me I say chat patois, so people them more patois alone them talk and understand, can understand what you do. So that is the replacement of the air intake, bust out, So now I'm not supposed to lose power this up. So there you have it, the old one, the new one. Alright peeps, respect.